Walang nagtitiwala sa team? Do you micromanage because you don't trust your people to do things right? Tulad ka ba ni Jonas at saka ni April na owners of a CCTV sales and installation business? They mostly serve commercial clients. Kaya on paper, everything looked good. Pero si Jonas had one big issue. He could not trust his installation team to work without him. Every job nandoon siya dapat, checking camera angles, inspecting wirings, double-checking configurations. Si April naman would remind him, tinrain mo na sila, pabayaan mo na, let them do their job. Pero si Jonas always answered, paano kung magkamali sila? What if the client complains? Siyempre ako pa rin ang sisisihin, di ba? Tapos, life forced a pause. Jonas suffered a serious back injury from lifting heavy equipment. Kaya sabi ng doktor, 6 weeks ang rest mo. Walang site visits, walang physical work. Nagpanic siya. Paano na ang installations? Kaya ang nangyari, si April stepped in and she coordinated with the team. She called the lead installers and said, "Ikaw na muna ang bahala ha. Just send photos and reports." At first, si Jonas was super anxious. He kept calling to check in. Pero pinahinto siya ni April. Sabi ni April, let them work. Magtiwala tayo. And something surprising happened. Yung mga installations continued smoothly and one client even praised the team's professionalism. Doon napansin ni Jonas. That's when he realized the truth na ang kanyang team was more capable than he allowed them to be. Yung constant presence niya was not actually improving quality. Actually, it was creating dependence. After na nakapag-recover na si Jonas, binago niya na yung kanyang approach. Bumibisita na lang siya sa mga sites na merong complex issues. Pero sa mga routine installations, nag-trust na siya sa kanyang team. Ito yung lesson. If you don't trust your team, they will never grow. And neither will you. Kaya train them well and then step back. Let's learn to be business-minded Pinoy.